on urbansmartnetwork.com.
Yo, what it do? Welcome back to Slingshots and Exotics, man. First of all, we're gonna start off by sending out our prayers and everything to Cali Muscle. You know what I'm saying? The big brother, man. You know what I'm saying? I woke up yesterday, man, just turned, YouTube on, like I usually do. You know what I'm saying? While I was getting myself together and ran across and see my man sitting on the ground. He's like, nah, You know what I'm saying? This can't be. You know what I'm saying? Going through recovery right now. So, like I said, we're gonna send out love here from the nation's capital with Slingshots and Exotics, Cali Muscle, man. Yeah, and back at it, man. Some more bad news, man. Me and Danny 5 wasn't able to make it over there at the SEMA 21, man. You know what I'm saying? So we sat back and watched it, you know what I'm saying, through the reviews and everybody. We seen everybody, the excitement that's going on, man. I'm talking about they going crazy. Yeah, and shout out to Gas Monkey, man, for that Polaris build, man. That Polaris Slingshot build is sick, man. Off-road, oh my God. With the roll bars and the roll cage, oh my God. And the 2022 Chevy Corvette Z06, oh my God. It couldn't get no wider. I'm still in love. You feel me? The Stingray, people are still in process of getting theirs that they already paid MSRPs for, man. But the Z06 is coming, man. What you gonna do? You can still get that for MSRP too. Got me thinking, got me wondering. And like I was saying, me and Danny 5 was unable to make it to the 2021 SEMA convention, you know what I mean? But we was able to keep up with the reviews and everything like that. So if you were unable to go and you interested in SEMA as well as a car enthusiast, we're gonna bring you some of this. Skirt. Automatic drip, nigga. Slingshots and Exotics. Check the merch. Skirt. Oh, you ain't know, huh?